Hello guys, welcome to my channel Moneymaker001. So in this video, I'm going to show you a really interesting affiliate network which you can join. There is absolutely no approval process and you can start making money instantly with this affiliate network. Now many of the people have asked good questions to me that how you sign up for an affiliate network, how you get the how you get the approval and all that stuff, because most of the beginners who in affiliate marketing are unable to get the approval for many affiliate networks, but this network gives you approval instantly. Okay, so don't worry about that stuff, and I'm also going to show you how you can sign up for this affiliate networks and what products you are gonna promote with this affiliate networks. And this is the entire tutorial video on how to use a CPA affiliate network. Okay, because many of the people have lots of confusion. They don't know how to navigate a CPA affiliate marketing website. Okay, so I'm gonna show you all the things which is there in this affiliate network, and I have just joined this affiliate network just an hour ago, and I'm just exploring this affiliate network. In future, I will be coming up with strategies in which I will show how you can promote CPA offers with this affiliate network. Okay, so all things will be covered in this video. I'm going to show you all the things, all the features, and where to use, where you can get your affiliate link and all that stuff from this affiliate network. And this is really something, a very great affiliate network, and it has thousands of offers for you. So now let's get started, and in this video I'm going to show you the entire review of CPA Grip affiliate network. So the first thing you need to do is you need to sign up for this affiliate network, which is known as CPA lead. Okay, now the first thing is that you can sign up with this affiliate network utilizing the Facebook or Google. Okay, so now if you want, you can do this with Facebook and Google's. Okay, so don't worry about that. You can just do that with Facebook and Google. Just go and sign up. Or if you don't have a Facebook account or Google account, all you need to do is provide your first name, your last name, your email address, a password which you may choose, whichever you like. Then just choose the security question, whichever you like. Choose the answer, get the answer, put the answer of your choice, and then just click on I'm not a robot. Okay, so we are not robots, so that's why we'll be clicking on here and we will be selecting something. Okay, so that's it. Okay, and then you just have to submit all this information and you have signed up for this CPA affiliate network. Boom, first step completed. You have signed up for the CPA lead affiliate network. Now the second thing is that I'm going to show you what is the interface and how to use it. Okay, I have not made any money with this affiliate network because I have joined it just an hour ago. I have been just exploring this. Okay, so you can see over here at $0. I have not made any money with this. Okay, so don't just tell me that okay, I'm not showing you. I'm just reviewing this affiliate network in front of you. I'm showing you its interface. I'm showing you how to use it, because that's the very first thing which you need to learn, because most of the people get confused and due to that they aren't able to earn money with affiliate marketing. And I have just joined this network an hour ago, and in future I'll be creating videos on strategies regarding how to promote all these CPA offers. But for this video, I'm going to show you what are the features of this affiliate network, how to use it, and all that stuff. Okay, so the first thing is that dashboard. Okay, this is your dashboard. Here you can see your earnings and all this stuff. Okay, and you can see here are some offers which are listed over here. Now you can promote this offers. Okay, so that's also one of the things which you can do. But the best thing is that now the another thing which you require to do is you need to go to accounts. You need to go over here to payouts. Okay, just go to payouts and just you have to attach your PayPal. Okay, PayPal ID with this affiliate network. Still, I have not attached my PayPal ID with this affiliate network because I have been just exploring this, how this affiliate network works. Okay, that's really important. And then you can go to over settings over here, and you can see there are lots and lots of settings which you can do, security answers. Then here are rewards. There are some rewards which you may get in the future, or which I may get in the future, and this is how we are going. And there is this offer wall where you can find this create offer wall, manage, and all that stuff. And one of the best thing about this is this. Okay, I just love this thing is create landing pages. Yeah. So if you want to promote products from this affiliate network, you can make a landing page using this affiliate network. That's really insane because you don't need to go out anywhere and buy ClickFunnels or buy Builderall and all that stuff, or make a WordPress website, a WordPress landing page, because it takes too much effort. But the best thing about this is that you can create a landing page in this network directly, okay, and whatever product you are promoting, you can promote this product with that landing page. And that's the most awesome thing of this affiliate, of which I am loving of this affiliate network. So you can see that all this awesome templates which you get, which you can edit, okay, and you can promote all this affiliate offers using this templates. All you need to do is just click on use template, and then you can edit that, okay. So just okay, and then go and go on this, clicking on select files and all that stuff, and then you can go to customize page, and just you can create the page as per your wants, as per your need, okay. That's really easy, that's really insane, that's really simple, okay. And this is the best thing about this affiliate network, okay. So you can also see browse pre-made pages. There are so many pre-made pages which are available for you, so you can also promote this pre-made pages, okay. So that's also really great for you, okay. So you can see you can promote these pages and all that stuff, and that's also really interesting and really great way to make some great money online, okay. So just click on this promote page, and you can, okay, now the clone of the landing page is now yours to promote, okay. So you can also promote this stuff using this, okay. So just click on this get links, and you have got the link, and now you can promote this, okay. That's the simplest and easiest thing, because you are gonna get commissions for promoting this stuff, okay. And that's the most great thing about this affiliate networks. Now you can see there are lockers which are there in most of the sites, so you can use this lockers, but I don't recommend them because they are a bit difficult, and it's a bit advanced stuff. Of lockers and all that is a little bit of advanced, and it may take some time for you to learn using all those things, okay. So that's the reason why I tell you this, you don't just go for this advanced stuff and just do this, okay. So for now I just want to delete this, okay. So just don't go for this advanced lockers and all that stuff, because it takes some time to learn all this, okay. Now there are statistics, and the best thing, and maybe most of the people were waiting for, how to find offers and how to get affiliate links of those offers. And now I'm gonna show you how to do all that stuff, okay. So now you can go over here, and you can see that you can select your particular country, okay. For example, this is a United States, okay. Just select the particular country. Now offer type, just select I highly recommend only email submits and survey offers, because these are the best ones which convert the most, okay. You can also go for pin submits on mobile, but still I recommend this email submits and pin surveys, okay, because I just like these offers. They convert like crazy, and they make you a lot of money. And then devices, select all devices, and advertisers, select all. Now you can find so many of these offers. See, McDonald's $100 gift card. Okay, so this is and you are gonna get 0.78 per sign up. Okay, so just click over here, and you have got your affiliate link, which is over here. Okay, now here's your affiliate link. Copy this affiliate link start promoting this. Okay, now the first thing, if you want to promote this offers, you can promote this type of offers on Facebook and Twitter. Just go to facebook.com and search for sweepstakes and give gift cards. Okay, you can find a lot of sweepstakes and gift card groups on Facebook. You can join those groups and promote this type of offers on those groups. Okay, and you can start making money out of them. But all these things will be covered in the upcoming videos. I'm not saying that the next video will be based on this, but there are some other topics on which I'm gonna make the videos, and after in the next or in the couple of weeks I will be creating more videos on this CPA lead affiliate network. I will be showing you how to promote the offers from this network, what strategies you have to use, and all those things will be covered in my future videos. So just stay tuned for those videos. For now, this is my review of CPA lead affiliate network. I just give it 7 out of 10 stars because it's really well and it has a lot of features which other affiliate networks don't offer, and it's a trusted affiliate network, so don't worry, it's absolutely safe affiliate network which will pay you on time. Okay, that's really the most important thing. And this is the network which you can join instantly and get the instant approval and start promoting the offers. Okay, so if you are a beginner in affiliate marketing or you want to try CPA marketing, go and sign up for this network. They will approve you instantly and you can start promoting products. Okay, and just don't get demotivated if you don't get sales in couple days. Just focus some time, give your time in learning how to do CPA marketing a little bit in detail, learn, and then after that you can start making money. I have a lot of videos on CPA marketing which you can find on my YouTube channel. Okay, and some of them will be linked in the I button as well as in the end screen. Okay, so you can also check out those videos, and I think you have just got some value in this video. You have got some knowledge in this video which can help you to make a lot of money in future. Because why I have created this channel and why I am providing you all this information honestly and without selling you any stuff, because I have been stuck in the 9 to 5 job before and I wasn't happy with that job. But affiliate marketing and make money online business was something which came to my life. I just grabbed the opportunity, and due to that, I was able to skip my 9 to 5 job, which I wasn't happy with. And now I have all the time to spend with my family and all that interesting stuff and amazing stuff. I can do anything as I want because I'm not stuck into a 9 to 5 office. Okay, and that's something which pleases me, which makes me really happy, and you can also get this happiness into your life. All you need to do is subscribe to my YouTube channel, which is Moneymaker001. Press the like button so this video reaches more people and they can also experience the life of freedom. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching.